guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Kia Alexis, and today is a big day. Today me and Andrew are hosting Nika's gender reveal. We're gonna have it at our house, and we're doing all the cooking. So I'm gonna just vlog for you guys so you can get a prep video, whatever. My hair is in this headscarf because I'm trying to hold on to my up down. I told y'all these hairstyles don't last on me, but yeah, I'm trying to hold on to it. So I just put some mousse on it and did my edges a little bit, and I just tied it down. Andrew's back there cooking, but yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. So we're still in the process of getting everything together. Patricia's building it. She got a little tank over here.
About to build it.
It looks cute. I like it.
It's coming out nice.
The balloons up here. And this is just the beginning. So those, you said those is going on the roof, right?
Yeah, both of them gotta go up.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I still have to go up there to see. And we got the food getting prepped over here. We got some chicken. The noodles is boiling. I'm searing some oxtails. Everything is really starting to come along. We've been cooking all morning. We're cooking and cleaning. Trying to get it together. Hopefully we can get this. Hopefully we can get all of this done by at least 4, you know? Oh, Andrew, it's overflowing again. See? I don't like this electric stove business. Give me gas. Give me gas. Can you see inside of it?
No, I can't.
Let me see. Yeah. It's cute.
All right. Let me get back to you. I'm gonna do my fat dad. Like, I know I'm fat. That's not even my t-shirt I'm wearing.
Girl or boy, girl or boy, girl or boy. She knows the sex.
I do.
It's fine. I know, but I don't know, but I know. This is cute. Wait, oh no, I thought she. Wait, hold on. Wait, the vlog.
Wait. All right, so who's Team Boy?
Me. Shanika. It's a girl. Alright guys, so it is the next day. We had so much fun yesterday, and I wanted to vlog more, but like it was just so much going on. I had to cook, I had to serve, I had to make sure everybody was good because you know we was hosting. So But it was such a good night. She looked so beautiful. She was so happy. I wanted to show you guys the question mark a little bit more. So this is basically, we had the ball inside of here, like a black ball. And like based off of the gender, you pop it and then that's what you have. So she's having a girl. So you guys seen it earlier. But it's so cute. Like I'm looking at it in my house and I really don't even want to throw it away. Like it's so nice. And it got a little stand. Like it was so nice. We decorated so cute. It was really fun. And we had the little pins over here, but everything's a mess now. But you guys get what I'm saying. But I don't know what to do with the question mark. Andrew sipping. What should I do with the question mark?
What do you mean? You know what you should do. You know what you have to do.
It's so nice. I don't want to throw it away. It's so cute. Like, is it like a... Okay, so they got it like... Oh, okay. I probably could make this, you know, bend the wire and get a little stand for it and just put balloons all over it. Listen.
You're gonna do that?
It's a business. I'm not, but I'm saying I could see it not being that difficult to make. Cause that's what they did. It's like a bent wire and then it's just like balloons going and like a question mark, you know? And then they had the big balloon. Patricia actually put this together. It's you know, it's the next day, so it's a little messy. But y'all seen it yesterday. It was cute. And then it was also, Nika made she made like some lollipops. Like, what are these called, babe? Rock candies?
I don't know.
Rocks. Yeah, but it's really cute. I like it. And Nika, she also made these herself. They're so cute. You know, if you have like a gender reveal and you want some ideas, I know she's gonna make her channel soon and she's gonna put like how she does these things. Like, I have no patience, but it's really nice. It's really cute. And she didn't even like it, but I love it. It's cute. And other than that, now we just gotta clean up. Oh, I don't want to clean up, but I have to. But anyway, I will see you guys in my next vlog. Hopefully I get a vlog in on Wednesday. I got something planned, so hopefully I get a vlog in. But if you guys are not already subscribed, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe so you could be a part of this crew because, oh God, y'all see how tired I am? Yesterday really drained me. I don't even have my energy that I normally have for y'all. But yeah, guys, I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye, guys.